Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fast your accessibility reader speaking speed. So let's get started. Click on your iPhone settings and open it up and go to accessibilities. There you will find read and speak option over here. So once you click on that, you will get this option at the second last speaking rate over here. So once you drag it to the right, it's gonna be speak like fast forward or like a fast. And if you want to do is more fast, you have to do is drag it to the end, and that's it. That's how you can use it like fast your accessibility reader speed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.